This video is one in a series about how we expand exponential expressions. We do this the same way you've done any expansion of brackets or expressions any time before in maths. All we do is simply multiply everything inside a set of brackets by a common value outside the set of brackets. So for example, here we might have x outside 2x minus y plus 1. We multiply this by everything inside the brackets to expand it to give us 2x squared minus xy plus x. When we deal with exponential expressions, the process is exactly the same. Let's try this one here. So we're going to expand and simplify 5 to the power of negative x outside 3 times 5 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of 2x. Now, to make this easier, I've put every series of multiplications into a set of brackets so we can see each term separately. So as I have here, what we have is 3 times 5 to the x times 5 to the negative x minus 2 to the 5 to the power of 2x times 5 to the negative x. So now within those brackets, we're going to simplify them further. So because these two have the same base, we can simply add their exponents, which is 5 to the power of x minus x. And here, same thing, this is 5 to the power of 2x minus x. Now, this part here, 5 to the x minus x, is basically just 5 to the 0. And here, this works out to be 5 to the x. Go further, this part becomes 3 times 1 minus 5 to the x. 3 times 1 is just 3. So this here is our final simplified expression of this original expression up here. Again, all we did was multiply things through and then apply the index laws as we've already learned in class. Let's try another example. So now we have one where we're going to multiply two things together. 2 to the power of x plus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 5. Again, we're just going to multiply everything through as we've done before. So that gives us 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x times 5 plus 3 times 2 to the power of x plus 3 times 5. When we consider each of those terms there, again, these are like terms, it becomes 2 to the power of x plus x. These ones stay the same, they can't be changed just yet. And of course, at the end we have 15. Now, this here is 5 lots of 2x, and this is 3 lots of 2x. 2x is a common term, which can be collected together, giving us 8 lots of 2x here. And of course, x plus x gives us 2x, so this becomes 2 to the power of 2x, the 15 at the end. Go further. So we can break this part here up. It's 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. It's exactly the same as the part above it. Now, 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of x. Again, now these have a common base, and these exponents can be added together. So what we finally have is this part here becomes 4 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 3 plus x plus 15. So this here is the expanded and simplified exponential expression of what we started up here. Again, the process is the same. Multiply everything through as you would normally do with any expansion you've done before, and then simply apply the index laws as we've learnt in class.